Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and comforting chicken noodle soup. It's the perfect dish for cozy evenings or when you're feeling under the weather. But I'll also be adding a twist to make it extra flavorful. So, let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. You'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 6 cups of chicken broth, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 medium onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 bay leaf, 2 cups of egg noodles, salt and pepper to taste, and some fresh parsley for garnish. Make sure you have everything ready before we begin. Now, let's start with the preparation. We'll begin by dicing the onion, mincing the garlic, and slicing the carrots and celery. Remember to peel the carrots before slicing them. It's important to have all the ingredients prepped and ready to go for a smooth cooking process. Next, in a large pot, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced onions and minced garlic. Sauté them for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onions become translucent and the garlic becomes fragrant. This step is crucial as it forms the flavor base of our soup. Once the onions and garlic are ready, add the sliced carrots and celery to the pot. Sauté them for another 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften. The vibrant colors and aromas of these vegetables will make your kitchen smell amazing. Now, it's time to pour in the chicken broth. Add the 6 cups of chicken broth to the pot, and then sprinkle in the dried thyme and drop in the bay leaf. Bring the broth to a gentle boil. This will infuse all those delicious flavors together. While the broth is coming to a boil, let's talk about the chicken. Season the boneless, skinless chicken breasts with some salt and pepper. We'll be adding the chicken to the pot to cook and infuse its flavors into the soup. Reduce the heat to low and gently place the chicken into the broth. Let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's cooked through. Meanwhile, let's cook our egg noodles. You can use any type of noodles you prefer, but I find that egg noodles work really well in this soup. Cook them according to the package instructions until they reach the perfect al dente texture. We want them to be tender but still have a slight bite to them. Once the chicken is cooked, carefully remove it from the pot and place it on a cutting board. Let it cool for a few minutes. Then, using 2 forks, shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces. This will make the chicken easier to eat and distribute evenly throughout the soup. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Return the shredded chicken to the pot and stir it into the broth. Then, add the cooked egg noodles and give it a good stir. The soup is really starting to come together now. At this point, it's important to taste the soup and season it with salt and pepper according to your preference. Adjust the seasoning until it's just right for you. Finally, remove the bay leaf from the pot and discard it. It has done its job of adding flavor, and now we don't need it anymore. Our chicken noodle soup is ready to be served. Ladle the soup into bowls, and for that final touch, garnish it with some